Hey, it's Anna. Welcome to my channel, SourPatchKeed, and today we're doing the July Ipsy unboxing. Let's get it. Let go. Alright guys, so if you do not know what Ipsy is, it is a monthly subscription for makeup items. I currently have the $12 monthly, which comes with I think 4 or 5 items, and it usually comes in a little Ipsy bag. Usually before you get into the subscription, they will ask you a few questions just to get to know you a little bit, to know what kind of products to send to you and what items you would be interested in. Of course, this is not a sponsored video. I wanted to get that disclaimer out of the way. Without further ado, let's get to unboxing it. Okay, so just like last month's box, I ended up getting everything in a little baggie. I actually really love the color themes going on here. Everything kind of reminds me of a little vacation, like a little escape, as it says over here. And it also has a little airplane for a zipper this time instead of the Ipsy written on it, which is definitely pretty cool, but it does say Ipsy right here in the back. Now, when I first opened my package, I found a brush inside that seemed like it would fit in the bag, but I know that June's box, I ended up receiving a free item. I'm not sure if this is what this is, but I did receive a, looks like it's called Firma 201 brush. Yes, this is from Firma Beauty. If you could see that. So this feels like a synthetic brush to me. It is soft, but it's not the softest that I've felt. But either way, this seems to be of a very good quality. It's not shedding. It's not stiff. It's not hard. It's very soft and easy to maneuver. So that's that first item. Okay, now getting to our little baggie here. I'm going to start with the card that is inside. Okay. So this says your glam bag packing list. Beauty should be fun. That's why we've taken care of the hard stuff. There's just one more thing for you to do. And it has a bunch of check marks next to it. Your ultimate beauty staycation. No round trip tickets needed for full body bliss. We've got the tips to transport yourself to a 5-star happy place. That's really cute. Okay, so I guess these are the steps that they are talking about. I'm not gonna read into everything, but number 1 says petty please. Number 2 says drink it in. Number 3 says make some moves. Number 4 says go skin deep. Number 5, aloha your hair. So I'm wondering if maybe this box contains like one item each to make you feel a type of way. Maybe this is a themed bag this time around. Okay. So in the back it says July 2020, take a break. Airplane mode your phone, put up a mental do not disturb. It's time to re-energize, whether it's a living room, dance party, or a bold lipstick. Take a break from the ordinary, let loose, and go with the flow. Where will it take you? Hashtag Ipsy take a break. Okay, so looking at everything that's in here, it makes me really want to dive in to see what I'm really getting into this time around. So first item, okay, I'm already happy with this. Oh, I was saying in one of my last videos, I've never heard of Spkeeds Professional before, but I did get one of their products from Dwayne Reed or Rite Aid last time, but this time I got one in my Ipsy bag, and look how beautiful this is. Okay, first of all, packaging is everything. The pink and gold go together so well, and I'm like obsessed with crystals and glass-like items, so this is just sold me right there. So it is, the one thing I will say, it is a little hard to read the front. When you first open it, you know, you kind of have to move it around a little bit. So it says Crystal Fusion Liquid Eyeshadow. It's actually eyeshadow. I thought it was a lip gloss, but I'm not mad at it. This is such a pretty color. I was talking to in one of my last videos about how items, especially beauty items that come in glass containers, usually last longer. They have like a longer shelf life. So I'm definitely happy to receive this. I cannot wait to try it on. Now we're gonna do a little bit of swatching. It actually comes off more of a gold color than a pink, looking at it up close. And here's another swatch where it's a little bit more pinkish. It seems like the more you use, the more gold it looks, but so far, yeah, it's definitely very sheer from the very first swatch. I've swatched it 3 more times, and it's just, it actually looks more gold than I expected. I was expecting a little bit more pink, but of course that's not a problem. It looks like this shade is called Polaris. The next item is by the company Murad. It is the number 3 Hydrate and Protect. It is an Essential C Day Moisture Broad Spectrum SPF 30 and helps shield skin from environmental aggressors. So that is what the item looks like. It seems to be a moisturizing sunblock. It does come sealed on the inside, and this is also a sample size. As far as the scent goes, it smells really mellow. It kind of smells like, I'd say, any unscented product, I guess. It's like it has a hint of a smell of something, but it's nothing strong. As far as application, it seems to dry out clear. It does feel very moisturizing, but it does not feel heavy. The next item is by the company Verb, and this is a Shape Plus Define Defrizz Plus Repair Curl Cream. So this has no parabens, no gluten, no sulfates, and it pretty much just says to apply a small amount in your hand and apply through damp curls. It seems to be maybe some kind of, yeah, like a sculpting cream, maybe like some type of hold. Okay, now this is kind of weird. I don't know if my package maybe got smushed a little bit, but there's a little bit of product coming out, and the safety seal is a little bit open, but I'm hoping it's safe. Come on, open up. As far as scents go, oh, this is weird. Like, the plastic is still stuck to it. Like, Jesus. Okay. I felt like this also happened the last video where I was trying to open a product and it was just like stuck in place. Oh yeah, it was the banana powder. Finally got it open after like 3 weeks, but let's hope it doesn't take me a few more weeks to open this package. Alright, had to bring out the big guns to open it, but I finally got it open, so let's get to the scent. It actually kind of smells like, oh man, what's that company again? Aussie Moist, or any of the Aussie products, I guess. That's what it kind of smells like. It smells like mostly their avocado conditioner. So, ooh, let's check the texture. I can't check it on my hair clearly. As you can see, my hair up in braids, but okay, this definitely does not feel like a gel. It feels like, ooh, it smells good though. It feels more like some type of serum, but it did dry out pretty quickly. But I guess I could try it in my next style and see how you guys like it. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you'd like to see me use this, especially my natural girls. I don't know if anybody already knows about this company. Let me know what you find out. I will also be looking some stuff up because, girl, it's for curls and there's no parabens and sulfates, so there's that. Alright, last but not least, we've got a lipstick, and it is from Beauty For Real. The shade is Hotter Than Miami, and guys, I love how everything in here pretty much had a shade of pink except the SPF 30 product. But this is such a beautiful reddish pink. It's kind of like hot pink, but not really. Right, so okay, it doesn't really smell like anything, but the color looks even more vibrant on the outside. So let's do a little swatch. It said that it was a cream. Oh yeah, it definitely feels creamy. It's definitely pigmented. It definitely has a little bit of a shine to it. It's not super shiny, like super glossy, but it definitely is creamy. I cannot wait to put a look together with this because it is so freaking cute, and it is a little bit smaller than most lipsticks, I would say, and I'm kind of wondering also on the wear on this. So I will definitely be making a video to show you what this lipstick would be like, because I'm definitely interested to see. I actually have a shoot coming up in a couple of days, so maybe this will be part of the look, so keep an eye out for that. But yeah, this is everything that I got in my July Ipsy box. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's anything that you would like to see from these products, please let a girl know. Drop a comment down below. Please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you could be notified every single time your homegirl posts a new video. Okay, so yeah, see you in the next one. Peace.